Hello guys, it's me Renata. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to do some makeup. I want to use this beautiful palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna show you. I love this green shades. This is not new. I have it like for a long time now, but I'm really inspired by this palette and want to create some look with you guys. And also I wanted to share with you our new little interior idea. We bought everything in IKEA, so it's so affordable. We normally have separated kitchen from the living room in Russia, so we decided to add a little lounge zone in our kitchen. We chose linen textile because it looks cozy and simple and at the same time stylish. We added this graphic cushion to add a little accent, to make it a little bit dynamic. And I really love these teal strips on the blanket. They are fresh up the whole look. And we chose this wall clock. They looks again very simple but stylish, and I love this beige color. And it's not tick-tocking like at all, so quiet. And another item is these glasses. They're so beautiful. We're enjoying having our lemon water or wine or even dessert. And now let's go ahead and do a makeup. So I set my camera, which is actually my iPhone, a little closer. And I already prepped my skin. I'm an exfoliation, cleaning and everything. I'm going to show you my products I'm using today and actually these days. This is Russian brand, and I really love this brand. They have really good stuff, so cheap, so affordable, and you can actually buy it in a bunch of other countries. I'm gonna leave the list on my description box. So if you are, your country is in this list, so it's super good. Find it, check this out, and you will love it. It's so cheap and it works so good. Some products works even better than some high-end, so I really highly recommend you guys these products. Check this out and let's the video begin. is it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love you. Have a nice day. Bye.